So today I wanted to do a little bit of troubleshooting. If your Philips universal remote control is not working, a few things we can look at before we move to a reset. We want to make sure that the TV is unobstructed. If there's something in front of your TV sensor and this can't reach it, obviously there's going to be an issue. Definitely want to make sure that the batteries have some juice. Even if they do, let's take the batteries out, let it sit for a bit, and then put them back in and see if that helps us. And finally, we're going to check the sensor. So I have an LED sensor here. You might have the IR sensor, but what you do to check that is actually point it to into your camera and then hit the power button. And you might see that change a little bit. It's just an indicator that the sensor is actually working and that the buttons you're pushing, the signal is reaching the TV. Now, if none of that helped your problem, what we're going to do is actually reset the remote. We're going to factory reset it. And how to do that, we're actually going to press and hold this setup button here. So press and hold this for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to just tap the mute button once. So I'll hit this once. And then we're going to tap the 0 button, and you can see that flashed a couple times. So this now we have erased all the settings. So we need to set it back up. Now I have a really good video on how to program this remote to your TV. So I'll drop a link on screen and in the description. Guys, if this was helpful for you, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.